popping. Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton.
No.
Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. So cool.
What if when the cop walked up and he's like, "Wait, where's your ID?" And then you're like,
"Which one, officer?"
That's pork, barbecue, potatoes, rice.
"12 seconds later.
all right, now I picked up the camera. I thought someone was gonna steal it. Yeah, hear that engine? Why does this car waste so much gas? Probably just dumps it out in the freaking exhaust. Okay guys, so the gas station actually ended up being closed. This other gas station is 40 miles away, so there's no way I'm making it.
Thank you for choosing AAA. My name is...
So I'm at this gas station. The car already has low fuel, so I don't think I'm gonna make it any longer.
Of course, have a great rest of your morning. Please take care.
Thank you, you too. They said they will take like 2 hours to get here. Look at all the blood splats on it. Yeah, looking nice. Tasty.
I see you.
No way.
Okay, I'm coming.
A slow boat?
Meow.
Oh, wait, I see you.
Meow. Okay, just park to the right of this Mustang.
Let me lock it. There you go. Big RV. We're gonna ride that weird car right there. It's like half a car now.
You gotta close your door, you gotta lift it up like an inch.
Like an inch?
Just don't slam it. There you go.
Oh, hey.
First try. So where's the dealer plate? Grab it out of the windshield of the Fusion. You gotta do the little reach around.
Oh. Yeah.
Okay. Sub vlog. Last night, I burned on my clutch. Left it sit overnight, and hopefully it doesn't like leave us stranded on the middle of the road.
I don't know why I even go through the door. I could just jump in.
Yeah, dingus. No, but we can buy one. There's good deals here.
Jesus. Wait, is this car safe?
Of course. What do you mean? What kind of question is that? Don't use that one.
What?
Use the one that goes in it.
What's this? Wait, what is that?
That bolts up there to your
Oh.
top. Yeah. Safety first.
All
Let's
right.
hope we make it. We're legal.
Where do we put it?
Wait, do we have the...
Stop.
We're gonna burn up.
We ran that red because apparently the clutch won't grab on, and if we stop one more time, it'll just stay stopped, right?
We're there. We made it.
We're here? Oh, that wasn't even that bad then.
No, we almost didn't make it though. That was perfect.
It takes a little bit to chew because
Fights off the coronavirus.
yeah. And then I just kind of let pull them back to swallow.
Like those shots you buy.
Root first. I chew the root. That's turmeric and that's ginger. Turmeric, ginger.
Wait, I'm gonna wash it off first because you touched it.
Do it. I just cut it, but yeah. That's fine. I didn't touch the vinegar.
That's okay. Just being extra safe. You just eat this?
Yeah, I would chew that first and then just when you're done about chewing. Those are both.
Why is that spicy?
Clean. That's the ginger.
I'm never doing that again.
I'm telling you, that's like some of the healthiest shit you can put on your body.
You don't care about it if you get corona, huh? That's why you don't wash it.
Mm-hmm.
It's clean.
No! What a freak.
I'm feeling for it. I might throw the taste off a little.
Oh!
Oh boy.
What was that?
That was good.
Well, this.
Happy Josiah now.
Yeah.
Nice.
And you're happy also, right?
Yeah, bro.
Alright.
I don't know. Watch it be like 10 feet deep.
No, what did we sing? Oh god. Oh, it's good. Whoa!
You wanna get out in front?
Get the drop? Oh no. Wait, I want to drive too.
No, it's all clean.
Can I drive?
No.
No, I want to drive too.
Come on, we gotta go.
Wait, no, I want to
No,
drive
you're not
too.
supposed to do that here.
I came with you here though.
It's a parking lot.
Oh my,
got-
what old people?
Up on the balcony.
No, they weren't.
And you're not supposed to drift
They
in the
probably
parking
like
lot.
people that are old want to see exciting things.
We should just go give them the coronavirus.
Why didn't you let me drive it? I came here with you. You forced me to go here.
I forced you to
Yes,
go. You said, can I still go?
you were
I'm like,
complaining.
"Yeah."
No, you were complaining for me to go with you instead of staying in the RV for 5 straight minutes or 10.
Oh, like you mean not to Havasu,
To here on this little 20-minute
road?
trip.
Oh, yeah, because I didn't want to be lonely. Dang it. Why'd you make me do that illegal turn, Jordan?
You ran a red.
No, I just turned to red.
You ran a red.
I turned right and like,
What was that all about?
I'm sorry, we just,
Can you do that in California? Notice a sale on the plate.
it says what?
Why do you have the original plate on the back?
I just don't have a screwdriver with me to put that on.
Okay, that's a violation. You know that, right? Oh, you had it.
Hey, listen. So, I got a letter saying my California license is suspended. But like 2 days before that, I got an Arizona license. So I don't know if it's connected. Here's the insurance card if you can see it.
So that for you warning for that maneuver.
Alright.
But combined, you're looking at about $600 in fine. Make better decisions when you're driving. Okay.
Yes, sir. What?
I just don't understand how you get away with everything. The cop walked up and he's like, "Wait, what's your ID?" And then you're like,
Which one, officer?
"That's not even you. That one's in what? Who is that?"
It's Tasaga Coleman Fall.
Hey, AutoZone was right there.
I know, but O'Reilly's is better.
Oh, O'Reilly's is better. Yeah,
I get
yeah,
a
yeah,
discount
right.
here. I get
Oh.
like 20% off.
You're at the car wash. Oh, that's beautiful. Wow.
It smells good too.
Oh my God. Oh! You're a freak.
I'm a freak.
You're a weirdo.
Yeah, I'm a weirdo. I'm the one that's gonna be doing the showering.
I'm gonna help you out though.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
No, you're not.
Okay.
I'm not accepting that.
Shout rock.
Thank you for the heads up.
Yeah, you're welcome. Is it cold or warm? It's cold.
I'm jumping in.
2, 1, go. Oh no! No!
I saved it.
Hey, that's right.
Size garage here. If you ever need a filter wrench, just use Scotch tape.
There's right there.
Tape around it, and then that'll give you a hand on the other side, and then you can start shimmying it. That's some dirty oil.
Wait, so it's not hot?
Oh, it's hot. Very hot. We should have brought rags though. It's okay, we got dirt.
You look like an animal right there.
Smeagol. Precious.
I'm ready. Let's go off-roading.
Are you ready? Now your nails are cut?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Dude, your hands better be clean. Oh my God, that's
Yeah,
disgusting.
I cleaned them.
Oh shit! Oh my God! Oh shit! Oh Jesus Christ! Oh my God! Oh my God! Yo! Oh, what was that? Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh, what is there? Someone laying on the beach? What?
This is our last chance. Come on. Oh, yeah.
Oh my God, what is that?
I can't see it. Oh, no.
What?
I couldn't see it.
Where's phone? Oh, here.
They were good though.
Yeah, that was. Yeah, you did a good job on the show.
Let's go down.
Lexi, want this chocolate? Want this chocolate?
No, chocolate's bad for dogs.
Yeah.
We don't care.
No, but chocolate's bad for dogs.
You know what? I've raised a lot of dogs, and they ain't never had a problem with chocolate. That's kind of like
Actually?
saying, yeah.
Oh.
Yes.
Don't give the chocolate to the dog.
You know what? I'm from Minnesota. I raise dogs, I shoot stuff, and I catch fish. You know what? It's all good. You know what? We can live through an apocalypse. Cause I can.
No, but chocolates are bad with dogs.
Chocolates are bad. And you know what? All right, Willy Wonka.
Hey, and what's going on with Josiah watching a little movie on his little baby Apple phone?
Baby? Phone?
Yeah, his widescreen phone.
Mm.
Put your tablet shit up here on the big screen.
You lay in that chair and see if you like it.
Okay. To poke.
Lay in it and tell me if it's comfortable. Cause it does. It's comfortable. But you gotta lay in it though.
Alright.
All good?
And then you should see how comfy that chair is, because that probably lays
That one doesn't have no feet. This one's full foot. I mean, otherwise, Tim has a queen. You can lay with him.
No, it's not. It's a little fucking single.
They got a little chocolate here, here, and here.
He's pretty COVID-19 paranoid though, so he'd probably Lysol me down if I sat over there.
Just cough on me.
Don't cough. No.
If you noticed, the only person in this whole motorhome who doesn't have a little cough or a little fucking sneeze once in a while is me. I heard him sneeze twice, and his dad coughed like 5 times.
You didn't hear me do anything either.
Alright, then the only other person, then you and me.
Yeah, and the dog.
Hold on. Well, the dogs, they got an immunity.
Yeah.
Me too. Hold on, let me check. Hey. Oh, yeah, bro.
Josiah, are you gonna brush your teeth?
Why are you guys gonna share a toothbrush? Hey. Is that good for how many brushes? 3 on the left, 3 on the right.
It's a vibrator.
Yeah, oh, just the tip.
I just strapped it onto it, bro.
Well, he's trying to say, if you're not going to use it for brushing your teeth, I want to use it for something else.
100% hard to come by these days.
Lexi, sick 'em. Yo, yeah, bro. Really, this is what I do when I'm shaving my teeth. Yo, yeah, bro.
Are you gonna brush your teeth, Tim?
Well,
No, you have to. Oh, you know you have to.
I mean, I was gonna shower first.
Oh, but then you're gonna brush it.
Yeah. In a row,
In a row.
not every other. Hey, Lexi. Right there.
Nothing yet.
She keeps wanting to go over that. Nope.
Wait, no, she's going to my
Just
spot.
as Lexi's about to get comfy on my bed. Come back up here. Once I'm there, Lexi's okay, but it's a kind of a skinny bed, you know what I'm saying? It just says my width.
Yeah, Jordan can fit.
Well, you guys can both fit on this one.
Yeah, Lexi.
I'm gonna. When you
With Lexi on top.
Yeah.
Or one of you guys on top and then Lexi on the side. What you got there?
My teeth.
Oh, yeah. Is it easier to brush your teeth with them in or out?
Man.
Just the tip. Hey, but you know how there's a TV on right on the other side?
Oh, there is.
Wouldn't it be... Wouldn't it be chill if they didn't have to be on separate little chicha bows?
Oh, what's your normal Timmy stuff?
Hey.
So you want coffee?
Hey, oh, yeah, bro.
Thinking we do
Wait,
vaccination.
hold on, let me check.
But instead of disposing the needles.
Oh!
Wait for it.
Elijah copied that. That's where he got it from.
Oh, you might have some fans that have seen me before.
Yeah.
Hey, oh. Hold on, let me check.
Yeah.
Yep. What do you think? Yeah, bro.
Is this your first time in public?
It is my first time. Hold on, let me check. Oh boy. Hey, beach proud. Hey, Lexi.
Alright, wait, I think that's enough for now.
What about this?
Oh, God.